Hey everyone, welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today, Mom and I, we're going to Abbott's Candies in Hagerstown, Indiana. And Abbott's Candies has been around since before World War II.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto US 35 North, signs for Indiana 38 West, Muncie.
And they had to shut down during World War II because of the, they rationed the sugar and flour and other foods. And so they had to shut the company down.
Continue straight onto US 35 North, signs for Indiana 38 West, Muncie.
And after they shut it down, they restarted it again. So we're heading that way. You glad to go there, Mommy?
Yes.
Take the next left onto Indiana 38 West. Continue on Indiana 38 West for 12 miles.
That's a big old buggy.
Uh-huh.
No wonder it's still going back and forwards.
Alright, so we're at Abbott's Candies in Hagerstown, Indiana. We gotta hurry because they're gonna be closing in about 20 minutes. They close at 4. Okay, these are the business hours. So I'm gonna walk in.
There's Lucy.
Lucy?
Lucy on the counter.
Oh, oh my goodness. She's covered in chocolate. Oh, that's so cute. All right. So I need to get me some candy for y'all close.
Get me this white chocolate.
Okay. So they got all the candy you want. Look at that. And the prices are not too bad because you got to remember sugar is expensive. So, but they got a lot of good stuff. And their caramel is like to die for. It's lovely caramel. No. We're just here and then we're in Indianapolis. Yeah, so they have a location in Indianapolis. I didn't know that. Look at that. It looks so good.
That'll work. Thanks.
So you gave me some caramels.
Yes, those are our caramels that they hand make and hand wrap here in the store. We have a little history over here that you can look at since they're out today.
And when are they usually here? They do this for the public?
Yes, generally.
Oh, I see. It's like a whole kitchen in there.
Generally Monday through Friday, but it's coming into the summertime like this with the weather. It's a little hard to do chocolate and caramel. So I can turn the light on for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So they are usually only on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays in the summer like this.
The gate popped open. Yeah, it's a beautiful kitchen. You can't see it yet. All right, so this is where they do all the magic. I'd rather visit this than Willy Wonka's. It's a lot scary, lot less scary.
They do 4 batches of caramel a day, hand cut and hand wrap all of it. Each batch is 4,500 pieces.
Oh, wow.
I think. You might edit that out. 'Cause I've only been here since October, so I'm not 100%
Oh, that's okay.
up on the history. But there is, in the case there's some pictures that explain the history. And then there's a little slideshow that shows you some pictures, and it actually shows you them pouring the caramel and shows some of the things that happen in the chocolate room.
Oh. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the decorations. Oh, you can't see it too well on camera. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cute. I like that.
We have to keep it pretty cool with the chocolate and the caramels, yeah.
Okay.
So if she doesn't want like a little graduation statue, if she wants.
Okay.
But we've got it in our white milk and dark.
You got white hash, break up chocolate. That's cool. So it's less waste there.
Yes.
Ooh, they got chocolate blueberries. You want chocolate blueberries? And they got chocolate covered honeycomb.
I don't want no chocolate.
All right. I love that they have the raw ingredients here. They have raw cocoa beans, roasted cocoa beans, cacao.
Okay.
They got the nibs. That's really cool. So my mom's getting some fudge. I can't touch fudge. It's like
Dangerous.
if it's a pound, I'll eat the whole pound.
Ours come a little half pound. Single serve.
Cool. That's a single serving. So it's just so cool. So they have free books.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take one for you. Okay.
Yes, just curious.
Okay. So they're a proud member of Retail Confectioners
This is a
International.
nice little store.
It is. Look at him. He's stirring his little chocolate. He's so cute.
Kind of put me in mind of Joy down on down Main Street. You know Joy the baker. You know him.
So for $22.10, we got some maple nut fudge. We got some white chocolate chips and the white chocolate blueberries. I bet that would make a good cookie. So, Helen here, she packed us up. So that's not bad for, this is gourmet. It's very good. All right, so I'm sitting in the car looking at what she gave me. So they gave us a card and it shows the locations. So they have one in Indianapolis on East 82nd Street. And of course, the original city is Hagerstown, Indiana. So you can go to abbottscandy.com and you can order Abbott's candy. I believe they'll ship it around the world, but check that for yourself. So, but their caramels are really good. I didn't buy any caramel because I know me. So in here, it came in a really cute, let me show you the sack. Oh, I'm dropping it. So it came in this pink bag with Abbott's candy on it. Okay, and they gave me this cute little pen. Let's see if you can see the pen inside the bag here. It's so cute. And it has like their address on it and their phone number. Isn't that a cute pen? I love that pen. Yeah, I'm so excited, you know, and they're just so friendly. I just walked in and Helen asked the boss, and the boss said it was okay for me to film in there. So very friendly people, you know, very small town, home-like. So this is definitely a place you want to put on your places to go if you come to Indiana.